Hello, my name is Debbie McAdams, and I am the Director of External Relations and Recruiting for Cleaning for a Reason. Cleaning for a Reason is an ISSA signature program. When a person is diagnosed with cancer, they come to us for help with their home. And we send out one of our partners to give them a gift of a free clean home. Maria and Ursula, can you tell us your story and how did you come to the cleaning industry? And why did you join Cleaning for a Reason?
Actually, Maria has been in the cleaning industry since I would say 20 plus years. So 10 years ago, we came together and we decided to start a cleaning company. And the reason that we got into Cleaning for a Reason is actually we met Debbie Sardone, which is the Cleaning for a Reason founder. And she inspired us so much. It was just so great meeting her and the way she started Cleaning for a Reason and the way she helps other people. So we came from a big family, so that's already a natural instinct for us.
After coming on board with Cleaning for a Reason, Debbie Sardone had asked me to be a part of her volunteer program. We were going to be cleaning, I think, 10 ladies' homes that day. And when I got my selection of the lady I was going to clean for, we got to her home and she wasn't there because she was actually in surgery having a double mastectomy. And so I had a team of 4 and the team kept coming back to me saying, but the home is so clean. And I said, well, just do the best you can. And so we left, and then 4 weeks later, I actually got the same person again. So we went back to her home and she was actually there. She had already had her surgery. And when we walked in, we all just like, wow, you know, the home was just in such a disarray and toys everywhere. She was 33 years old, had 3 small babies, and had been diagnosed with stage 4 breast cancer. So I had selected to clean the bathroom, the master bedroom, and when I first walked into the bathroom, everything was just so different than the first time. And I walked in and there was hoses hanging off the shower and stools that she needed to sit in the shower. And you couldn't even hardly walk in. There was just toys everywhere. And it hit me really hard. She was outside, so I just sat on the floor and cried for about 20 minutes. And I thought, nope, I gotta get strong and I gotta be here for her. I gotta help her, you know, get this house cleaned up. So when we were done, I walked out to the patio where she was sitting. She had one of her small children in her lap, and I told her we were done and we were gonna get ready to leave. And she said, well, at least let me walk you to the door. And because she'd had surgery, she couldn't raise her arms, so I had to help her to get her baby off her lap. So she walked me to the door and she acted like she didn't want us to leave. And so I stood there for another, 5 or 10 minutes and I told her, we were going to be praying for her. And so I was getting ready to leave and she just put her arms around me and we just hugged and cried for about 20 minutes. And I think about her and pray for her all the time.
You're sharing your story about that. My first experience was I went into a home and a mom was taking care of her daughter. And the second time I went, the daughter was already gone. And just the value of her telling us, thank you for taking the time to clean her home, because now she could have focused on her daughter. And it meant a lot to her. So just those kind of values and little things you do, it can change people's. If you ever want to leave a seed right here in the life cycle, I say, this is a good way to leave it, because you don't know how much fruit you could get out of this. So I would say, go for it. You can make a difference, a huge difference.